How to convert Euro to USDT in Binance. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can convert Euro to USDT on Binance. So without further delay, let's get started. So for that, first of all, you have to launch the Binance application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. So once you land on your home page, navigate to top left corner and tap on the Binance icon. Here, tap on the More Services from the interface. Tap on the search bar at the top and in the search bar, type in Convert and then select the Convert features on Binance. Since we want to convert Euro to USDT, then on the From drop-down, you have to select Euro. Under the True drop-down, there select USDT. Then you have to enter the amount that you would like to convert. Then you will see your equivalent balance on USDT. And once you're satisfied, tap on Preview. And here, if you have the sufficient balance, you will have an option to convert to execute the transaction. If you don't have the sufficient balance, you have to fund your account, then only you'll be able to convert. So once you have the sufficient balance, simply tap on the Convert button to execute the transaction. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.